Hi. So your bot is ready. So at first you need to make sure that you have the Chrome browser installed in your PC, and the Chrome browser you are using is the latest version. So to check that, just go to the setting of Chrome browser, then go to about Chrome, and then check if Chrome is up to date. If it is not, then update the Chrome browser and then relaunch the browser. And when you are done with that, then you can proceed with the bot. So before running the bot, you need to make sure that the Chrome browser is totally closed. It is not even running in the background. You must check here also that it is not running in the background. If it is running in the background, then just quit like this. Okay, just quit the Chrome browser. And also before running the bot, you need to uh, kind of navigate to the channel that you want to upload the videos to. So just say that I want to upload my videos to this profile. As you have seen, I have multiple profiles, and I want to upload my videos to this profile. So I am opening this profile, and now I am closing the Chrome browser, and make sure that it is not even in the background. Okay, so when you are done with this step, then just run the bot. And when you run the bot for the first time, it may also ask you to give some permissions, so just allow it, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so we have come to the UI. So as you can see that there is three options: the download TikTok videos, download Instagram videos, and upload to YouTube. So at first we will download some videos from TikTok. So let's just select here one and press enter, and then it asks that how many videos we want to download. As I am testing now, I won't download too many videos because it will take so much time. So I'm just downloading for now like 2 videos. Let's do it 3. And it asks for a target account link, so let me just open that profile again. And okay, I've just got a random profile, and I'm just inputting that link here and pressing enter. Now the bot will again open the Chrome browser, and it will collect the links from that account. And you need to keep eye on here, because sometime what happens is there comes some captcha, so you need to solve that if there is any captcha. So make sure to solve the captchas. Okay, so it says that it has found 83 videos. So do you want to download all, or just those 3 videos? So for now I just want to download those 3 videos, so I am here selecting number 2 and pressing enter. So as you can see, the bot is now downloading the videos. And if we go to the downloaded folder, you can see that the bot is downloading the videos here. One video is already downloaded. Okay, so one video is already downloaded, and it is downloading the second video already. Seems like it's a quite short video. So it is also downloaded. So as you can see, this is how the bot works. And now it will go to the third download. Okay, so that video had some time of issues, as you can see. So it had just that video had some formatting issues, so the bot just skipped that video and go to the next one. this video is also downloaded. Okay, so this is how it downloads the video. So now if you want to download videos from Instagram, then run the bot just like before, and wait for some time to load the bot. Okay, so the UI has been loaded. So now we will download some videos from Instagram. So we will select number 2 here and press enter. So now it asks for our Instagram account's username, so that because we need to log into an account to download the videos. So let me just put my account here. And then you need to put your password here. So as you can see, the account is already logged in, and if you have any kind of verification system, then the bot may ask you for the verification code or something like that. So now it asks that how many videos to download. So I'm putting here 3 videos again, and the target Instagram username. So let's just grab another username from the same profile. Let's just get this one. So just copy the username from here and then close the Chrome browser and just type it here and press enter. So the bot is now collecting the data of that account. So it may take some time to load the data. Okay, so it says that it has already downloaded 2 videos. Yes, so let's just try to match it. So this one, it's where? So this one, and then this one, and then this one. So you can see all those 3 videos have been downloaded, and the bot closed automatically. So let's just try to upload some videos. So let's just run the bot again. So when you have sufficient videos in the downloaded folder, then just run the bot, select your number 3, then here it asks that what is the minimum interval. So what it means that if you it will actually ask 2 interval, a minimum and a maximum. So it is this times are in seconds. So what it will do, that it will choose a random time between this range, and it will keep uploading your videos after that amount of time. Okay, and it will always be a little bit random time within that range, so that it looks more natural to YouTube. Okay, so this is how the upload will work. So for now I am setting the minimum as 30 seconds and the maximum as 45 seconds and pressing enter. So what it will does that after uploading one video, it will wait for some time between 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Then it will go to the next go to upload the next video. It just remove. Okay, it just don't do anything, and the bot should do everything. So as you can see, the bot is now uploading the video, and the title here will become from the title of the original video. And also make sure to keep the visibility settings and the other settings in your default settings, so that the bot can just do the next thing and upload the video. So as you can see, the video is already uploaded, and now the bot will wait for some time and it will go to upload the next video. Because as you can see that it is saying here the next video will be uploaded after 38 seconds. So it's a random time between that 30 seconds and 45-second range. So let's just wait for 30 seconds and let's see how it goes. And also you can see the video name that has been uploaded. So it uploads the video serially from the start to the end. And now the bot is going for the second upload. And you can see the title is already set here, just like the video's file name. And you can see this video is already also uploaded. Okay, so you can see that the next video will be uploaded after 32 seconds. So I hope you understand the concept, and you can just follow the same thing to run the bot properly. And if you face any issue, just send me the messages and send me the information about what issue you are facing. I'll try my best to help you out. Thank you.